Good day, my students. I'm very sure that you are okay this morning, and I want to welcome you all to the first mathematics class, online class of Joseph College. So today we'll be looking at the topic called trigonometric ratio of sine, cosine, and tangents. Trigonometric ratio of sine, cosine, and tangents. Now, let's start from ratio. You all know that ratio, whatever we call ratio, must have a numerator, must also have what? A denominator. For example, A over B, this is a ratio. 1 over 2 is a ratio. It's something like this. It's also the same thing like this. So I'm going to establish that. And you've been told from your basic knowledge that about sine and cosine and tangents. Sine, your GS3 class, you are aware about what I mean by sine, cosine, and tangents. So we all just want to start from where the knowledge that you already acquainted yourself with, to build on that existing knowledge of your GSS class work. So, by the way, this is going to be a foundation to some of the other topics that we will do this term. In terms of probability, statistics, and the rest, even sine rule and cosine rule. So, building on that existing knowledge, then we start with the right angle triangle. We all know that this is part of what? This is part of types of triangle, which we know that we have isosceles triangle, we have scaling, we have a right angle also triangle. So anytime you see this symbol in a right angle triangle, it simply means angle 90 degree. It simply means angle 90 degree. This is the angle. Now the side facing the angle is called side C. The side facing the angle A is called side A. The side facing angle B is called side what? Side B. So now, from your knowledge in GSS class, you've been told that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. From the word so opposite over hypotenuse. The opposite of this angle here is C, which is sine theta, is equal to C over, then the hypotenuse of this place is what? Is your B. So B, C over what? Over B. That is your sine theta. Then let's check for the sine theta. Cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta from the word car. That is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Car. Now look at your cos theta now. Your adjacent is your base side here. Then your hypotenuse is the longest side here. So we have cos theta to be equal to what? To be equal to A over B. Now let's see tan theta. Tan theta. Tan theta from the word toa. That is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Now your tan theta is equals to, your opposite is your C, that is facing the angle. Then your adjacent is your what? Is your A, the base side. So A, so it becomes what? C over what? Over A. Now, and apart from this, we also have some other angles that we call sec theta, cot theta, and cosec theta. I mean sec theta, cot theta, and cosec theta. Cosec theta. Sec theta from the word sec theta simply means 1 over cos theta. Then cot theta simply means 1 over tan theta. Then likewise cosec theta. Cosec theta simply means 1 over sin theta. 1 over sin theta. So apart from sine, cos, and tan, we have the sec, we have the cot, we also have the cosec theta, isn't it? So I'm going to establish that. So from there we proceed to what we call the Pythagoras theorems. We proceed to what we call Pythagoras theorems. It's a theorem that somebody just wake up and try to prove an idea for us, and idea has been working in mathematics for us all this while. So I'm going to state the theorems and proudly generate the formula for us, and we'll make use of the formula to solve some problems. But let's go from our right angle triangle here. Pythagoras theorems. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorems. State that the square of the longest side of a right angle triangle is equal to the square of sum of other two sides. Now, let's go again. Pythagoras theorem says that the square of the longest sides of a right angle triangle is equal to the square of the sum of other two sides. Now, in a right angle triangle like this way, let's bring out something. In a right angle triangle this way, now, the square of the longest side, look at the longest side here, of this right angle triangle here. Here is the longest side of this particular triangle here. If the side here is longer than this, so it means that B square is equal to the sum of the square of the sum of the other sides. So we have A square plus what? Plus C square. This is what we call Pythagoras theorems. You can have it this way. You can also have it in another form. That is, AC is the size B. So we have what? AC, the square of AC is equal to the square of AB plus BC. AC, the square of AC is equal to A square of AB plus what? B square of BC. Square of BC. So you can have this way, you can have it this way. And you can also have it this way. C square is equal to A square plus B square. It doesn't matter the position. It just about the position of your alphabet A, B, C. We call it variables. So if you position your C this way, then this will be C squared. If you position your B this way, this will be B squared. If you position your A this way, this will be what? A squared. So we have something in this format. B square is equal to what? A square plus what? Plus B square plus particular to this particular right angle triangle that we have on the board. So with this formula, we can use it to achieve any purpose. Now, before that, I want to give us some basic, some special angles, because we need those angles to what? To solve some problems. Now, let's see some special angles. So that this will help us to solve some problems related to trigonometric ratio of sine, cosine, and tangent. So we have sine here, we have cos here, we have tangent here, tan here. Then we have theta to be this way, from 0 degree, 30 degree, then we have 45 degree, then 60 degree, also 90 degree. So here is 0, the angle. Here is 1 over 2, 1 over root 2, root 3 over 2, 1, root 3 over 2, 1 over root 2, 1 over 2, 0, 3, then 0. These are some special angles. In case you are dealing with a particular topic, question that you need the angle 30 and you are not with calculator. You need angle 45, you are not with calculator. You need angle 60, you are not with calculator. Also 90 of any either sine, cos, or tan. So with this, sine 30 press the calculator will give you half. Sine 45 press the calculator will give you 1/2. Then sine 60 the same thing. Likewise for cos and tangents. I think with this we can do 1 or 2 examples. Let's lay our hands on 1 or 2 examples. Example 1. Example 1. Example 1. Example 1. Let's see. Given that sine x is equal to 5/13, 0 degree less than or equal to x less than or equal to 90 degree. Find cos x, 2 sine x is x over 2 tan x. This is a Y question. I extract this question from Y past questions. So you are given that sine x is equal to 5/13, 0 degree less than x less than or equal to 90 degree. Let's go. Now solution. Now you have been told that less than 90 degree, that means you are talking about right angle triangle. So first of all, establish your right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. I told us this is our angle. Now, in right angle triangle, position your variable. Are you there? Position, you can say this is B. I can say this is my C, isn't it? Now, and you have been told that sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. And from the question here, you have the same sine theta. Sine theta is now standing for x now. So that means we are using x, not theta. Since the angle we are dealing with is what? Angle x. So that means that sine x now be equal to what? 5/13. 5 for opposite, then 13 for hypotenuse. Then you place them. Look at the opposite of the angle. We have what? 5. Here will be what? 5. Then the hypotenuse is 13. Here will be 13. Are you there? Then this side is not given. And in the question, we have to look for cos x. We have sine x already, and we also to look for tan x. So now we need adjacent because cos b with adjacent. We need adjacent because tan b with what? Adjacent. And we must solve for that first. Okay, how do we go about that? That is where we go to aspect of Pythagoras theorems. That is why I gave you the theorem beforehand, because I know we need Pythagoras theorems. Now, looking at the right angle triangle here, let's bring out our formula for Pythagoras theorems. Now, we said that the square of the longest side is equal to the square of the sum of other two sides. The longest side is what? Is 13. So let's say this is here is our small c, here is our small b. B is equal to this. Here is our small a, unknown, isn't it? Question mark. So now let's go now. Meaning that c square, the square of, is equal to the square of a square plus b square. So this is the formula that we work for this to get our adjacent. So I will establish that 13 square is equal to a square is what we are looking for, unknown. So a square plus b square, our b is what? 5 here. So because what? 5 square. So I will establish this one means 13 times 13, that is 13 in 2 places. So we have 13. You can do at the corner of the book 13 times 13. 3 times 3 will give you what? 9. 3 times 1 will give you what? 3. 1 times 3 will give you 3. 1 times 1 will give you what? 1. So we have 9, 6, 1. So I haven't done that. So 13 square means 169 equal to a square plus 5 in 2 places. 5 times what? Times 5. So we have 25. I will establish that you can have 169, transfer of 25 to this side, becomes minus, the plus sign will change. So we have 25 is equal to what? A squared. So let's do dots. Let's do subtraction. 169 minus 25. Here we have 4. Here we have what? 4. Here we have what? 1. Isn't it now? So we have 144 is equal to A squared. Then what do you do? We take the square root of what? Or both what? Both sides. So we have root of what? 144 is equal to A squared times 1 over 2. This cancels out this, isn't it? So you have root of this. Now, in the situation whereby you are not with calculator, and you want to get the square root of a particular number, how do you go about it? Very, very simple. Just do your normal LCM. The factor of 144. What am I going to multiply together? That will give you what? 144. With that, you go to get that. So that's GS work. Go and revise your GS work. I cannot be teaching you down at your level here now. So this is what? 12. So mean that A is equal to what? 12. So that means we've gotten this side. This side is equal to what? 12. We are not done. We have not solved the question at all. We are just doing analysis. So we have gotten this side now. What we want to get is what? Now cos S now and tan X. So since we have our adjacents, now we have our sine X to be 5 over 13. Now your cos is what? Adjacent, isn't it? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse, isn't it now? Now, so I have my cos x. Cos x now. Cos x is adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 12, isn't it? 12. Then hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is 13. So 12 over 13, isn't it now? Then you check for tan x. Tan x. Tan x is equal to what? Up over up. Add. Opposite over what? Adjacent. So I have what? Tan x to be equal to, now let's see, opposite is what? 5, isn't it? Then adjacent is what? 12. So 5 over 12, isn't it now? Now we don't want to solve the problem now. We want to solve cos x, 2 sin x, 2 tan x. So we go cos x, 2 sin x over 2 tan x. No, so this will be gonna be cos x. We have gotten cos x to be 12 over 13 times what is what between cos x and 2 sin x is multiplication. Now times 2 times sin x. Sin x has been given to us to be 5 over 13. Then over divided by 2 times 2 times tan x. Tan x, we've gotten tan x to be 5 over 12. 5 over 12. So we are going to have 12 over 13 times, this is multiplied by this, that's 10 over 13, isn't it now? Let's multiply this, let's raise it up. It becomes divided by 10 over 12, isn't it? Now, I want to remove the division sign. So we have what? 12 over 13 times 10 over 13 times 12 over 10. When the division sign is being removed, the numerator go up, numerator come down. So 10 here cancel out this 10 here. So 12 times 12, you agree with me, we are going to have 144. Then 10 times 13, you have what? 169. So this is the solution to this particular problem. Find cos x, 2 sin x over 2 tan x. This is a WAEC question. So take notes. Let's take one more example because I'm going to bombard you with assignments. Let's take one more example. How about? Okay, this one involves diagram. It involves diagram. We have example 2. Find example 2. Find the value of x, y. Find the value of x, what? Y from the diagram below. below. So I have A, we have this diagram to be 8 meter. This place to be 30 degree. Here to be X. So I have the second one, that is B, to be Y, 10 meter, then an angle 30 degree. The same thing, right angle. So this is 2-in-1 question. For this one, we are going to look for Y. For this one, we are going to look for what? For X. So let's quickly achieve that. Let's quickly solve that. This 2-in-1 question. Okay, for the first one, solution. For the first one, what is our unknown? Our unknown is the base, the X. Our unknown is what? Our unknown is X. How do you achieve that? You consider angle 30 degree, right angle, X, 8 meter. Now you look at what's the given terms and unknown terms. Now our unknown here is X. X is question mark. The given, we are given the opposite angle here. Opposite is given to us to be 8 meter. Angle theta is given to us here to be 30 degree. So if the opposite is 8, that means that our X unknown here is our adjacent. Our X unknown here is what? Adjacent. So therefore, we have, that means we are going to use what? Guess what I'm going to use when you have opposite and adjacent. Adjacent and opposite, or is it opposite and adjacent? So we have sine, which is opposite and hypotenuse, is not given here. We have car, adjacent and hypotenuse is not given. We have tan, opposite and adjacent. So mean that we are going to use what? Tan theta. So we have tan theta is equal to up over add. So mean that it's going to be opposite is what? Opposite is 8. Then our adjacent is what? X. So mean that tan 30 is going to be tan 30 is going to be 8 over this X. So cross multiply, X is equal to 8 over tan 30. So don't forget the value I gave you, the table I gave you. What is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 over root 3. Tan 30 is 1 over root 3. So we have 8 over 1 over root 3. So it simply means X is equals to 8 divided by 1 over root 3. So X is equals to 8 times root 3 over 1. So final answer is going to be what? X is equals to 8 root 3. Now, so don't forget that we are using meter. So you put the unit there, 8 meter. X is equal to 8 root what? Root 3 meter. So let's quickly solve the last one before we call it a day. The last one, which is we are going to look for y here. The y, our y here is the opposite of this angle here. So y is opposite, which is what? Unknown. Unknown. Question what? Question mark. Angle theta is given to us to be 30 degree. Now we have the adjacent, nothing is there. We have the hypotenuse, meaning that we have the hypotenuse hypo to be 10 meter. So can you guess the angles? The angle we supposed to use here, since we have opposite, we have also have the hypotenuse. That means we have what? So we are using what? Sine theta. So we are using sine theta. So meaning that we have what? Sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So opposite over hypotenuse. So that means sine 30 is equals to, opposite is what? Opposite is y over hypotenuse is 10. 10 like this. So we have y is equals to cross multiply this over 1 like this. So y is equals to 10 sine 30 degree. So y is equal to 10. 10 is supposed to be half. So this 1 over 2. So y is equal to what? 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So y is equal to what? 5 meter. Y is equal to what? 5 what? 5 meter. Sine 10 is supposed to be what? Half. Y is equal to 10, 5 meter. So that is the how to use Pythagoras theorems to find some solutions to some problem related to sine, cos, cosine, and tangents. We still have a lot of questions to solve, but because of our time, I'm going to give you some specific assignments, some assignment to do. So once you are done with the assignment, then you send it to the platform, to the group. Then from there, we mark and send it back to you people. But it's a must. In as much you are opportune to listen to me or probably to watch this video, then it's a must for you to do. Or else I will deal with you. If I can stress myself to put some assignments, put some questions down, and then you fail to do it, then you are in trouble. Trouble, big one. So I'm sending message to you now that if you are hearing me, hear me and hear me very well. Take your assignment. Take your assignment. Question 1, assignment. Question 1. If sine x, sine theta, and this theta is equal to k, find tan theta. All these questions are y questions. I picked them from y past questions. So I expect you to, once you can solve this, it guarantees you how far you will go if you have opportunity to face any other y questions. Given that tan x is equal to 5 over 15, what is the value of sine x plus cos x? This is also y question. All the questions are y questions. Then can I check one or two more? What is the value of cos 60 degree plus sine 30 degree? Now, number 4. Let me give you one more question. Number 4. This one involves calculate the length of line BC in the figure below without using tables. So let me give you the diagram and we'll call it a day.
Thank you, sir.
So I have the table, I have the diagram this way. This is a triangle. 5 here, C, A, N. That is perpendicular line. Angle 45, theta, X, okay, Y. That'll be this way. 2. So find the the length. Let me do this way. So find the unknown side there. So I want to appreciate you for listening, and I'm very sure that when next we meet again, it's going to be joyful again. So stay safe, keep the hope alive. Corona will soon leave this country. Corona will soon leave the world. So bye, love you all, bye.